What brought me here to Tammydale Films set production assistant workshop is fate, I think, because I am from North Carolina. I want to break into the film industry, and I had no idea how. How does a girl from a one-horse town find something here in Atlanta? So I showed up here and it was great. In the class, we learned a lot, from pre-production to production to post-production. We learned about everything that goes on in all three of those areas, and what we as production assistants would be doing from start to finish on the day of film, all the different areas that you could possibly be as a PA, and what you would be doing in those different areas. My favorite thing about the class would probably have to be meeting all the people and making the connections that I made in this class, connections that I wouldn't have made at home. My takeaway is that I'm real country. I've realized that, and so I probably won't be in front of the camera too much, but that being behind the scenes, which is something besides in the theater realm I've never really experienced. So what I've learned is I actually probably want to go into assistant directing, because I love the push and pull of it, this needs to be done, this needs to be done, the hustle and bustle. I think I did a pretty good job at it. What I would tell someone who's interested in being a production assistant is that if you've not done it at all, getting into a class, this class in particular, it gives you the insight that you need to know the basics of what is about to happen. I now really feel like if I would have just shown up on set one day and started doing this, that I would have been mind blown and overwhelmed. But having the walkie-talkie experience, knowing the terms, the lingo, all of that I got in this class really is going to serve me for sure.